This car was left behind by their father. Now, the two brothers have found me. Their intention is very clear. Restore it and keep driving it. Someone once paved the first road for it. Now, someone else will start its next journey. This is a restoration about inheritance. What we must do is to let the classic be reborn in the modern age. This car has been sitting idle for a year. Its interior and exterior are badly deteriorated. The chassis has nearly 300,000 kilometers on it. It's now clearly burning oil, and it's shaking as well. Other small problems are countless and frustrating. No more words. The journey of restoration and inheritance begins now. First, a quick cleanup of the interior trash. Wash away the fatigue of a year's slumber. This isn't just cleaning. It's a solemn preparation. A preparation for a complete renewal. The classic silhouette becomes clear once again. It was this elegance that their father admired. The graceful charm of time. The car is clean. Let's begin the disassembly process. Cleaning completed. Air dried for about a week. Engine removed from the bay. Severe oil leakage. It must be fully disassembled and rebuilt. First, clean the oily engine surface. Cleaning done, moving into the overhaul room. Let's disassemble one of Audi's strongest engines. Watch carefully next time it's your turn. Guess why it's soaking in oil? Time to call in our master mechanic. Engine disassembly completed. All parts neatly arranged. Start ultrasonic cleaning. While that's running, we'll organize the chassis. Time's up, engine ready for reassembly. All components prepared. Follow factory specifications. Each mechanic assembles one engine. Let's roll, veterans. Start assembling. Main assembly uses dual-axis torque machines, restoring factory precision. Engine assembly complete. Reinstalling the engine into the car. Full body paint restoration. Removing cracked surfaces. Sanding and repainting the entire body. Good work takes time. Carefully masking every detail. Color mixed again to perfection. Paint ready. Let's begin spraying. Protective film applied. All preparations in place. Second coat sprayed with clear and hardener. Painting completed. The original roof had collapsed. Front and rear seats were cracked and aged. The owner made a bold decision. Fully reupholster everything. operation. The car is ready. This A6, left by their father, has regained its original glory. Every road it travels now will be a bridge between two generations. This isn't the end. It's a new beginning, a journey of companionship.